Hello everyone. Welcome to Basic English with Jenny. Get ready to boost your English skills. Number 1. Go to the doctor.
So what can I do for you today?
Well, I've been having really bad headaches, and sometimes I feel dizzy.
How long have you been feeling like this?
I think about a week, maybe.
And did it start suddenly? Did anything happen which might have caused it?
I don't know. I've never felt like this before.
Okay, for today, I'll give you a prescription for some painkillers. Do you have any allergies?
No, not that I know of.
It's just paracetamol. It'll help you with the headaches. I'm also going to refer you to a specialist at the hospital. They'll call you up to arrange an appointment.
Do you think it's something serious?
It could be a lot of things. If I were you, I'd just get plenty of rest, don't overexert yourself, and wait for the appointment with the specialist next week.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
Don't forget your prescription.
Oh, yes, thanks.
Number 2. Being part of a team.
It's great to have you on board for this project.
Glad to be here. I think it's good to join forces on this. By the way, who else is going to be involved?
Well, as you know, I'm the team lead. But Sarah, Mark, and Jennifer are also going to be working with us.
Oh, really?
Something wrong?
Well, I'm not sure if you know. But Mark and Jennifer don't get along too well. There have been issues previously.
Really? I wasn't aware of that. What's the issue between them?
Mark isn't a team player. He tends to do his own thing.
Well, we need the team to gel for this project. I'll talk to them, and if they can't commit to working together, then I'll try to find someone else. Thanks for letting me know, Mike. That's definitely helpful.
No problem. I just wanted to give you a heads up.
Maybe we can have a quick team meeting before we get started. We can all chat about the project and get to know each other a little better.
Great idea. A fresh start might be just what they need.
Exactly. And maybe we can even have some fun team-building exercises to help them work together.
Fun exercises? Like what?
You know, things like games or activities that encourage everyone to talk and cooperate.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Maybe some kind of problem-solving challenge where they have to work together to find a solution?
Perfect, Mike. Together, I think we can make this a successful project, even with a little bump in the road.
I'm feeling positive too. Let's make this a team effort everyone can remember for the right reasons.
Number 3. Outdoor activity.
What outdoor activity do you participate in?
I love spending time outside, and my favorite activity is camping.
Where do you do it?
We usually go camping in the forest or near a lake. It's so much fun to be surrounded by nature.
Who do you do outdoor activities with?
I mostly go camping with my family, sometimes with friends.
Who shares the same interests as you?
My family loves camping too, especially my brother. We always have a blast exploring together.
How often do you take part in outdoor activities?
We try to go camping a few times a year, whenever we have a chance.
How do you feel after activities?
After a camping trip, I feel full of energy and happy. It's like a big reset button for me.
What benefits can you get from outdoor activities?
Camping helps me relax and get away from the everyday routine. It's also a great way to learn about nature and spend quality time with loved ones.
Do you usually play sports outdoors?
Sometimes we play frisbee or go hiking while camping, but mostly it's about enjoying the fresh air and scenery.
Why are children less interested in outdoor activities nowadays?
I think a lot of kids these days spend a lot of time with screens, which can be fun, but it's important to get outside and explore the world too.
Number 4. Schedule and timetable.
What time does the concert start, Jacob?
8 o'clock, Kate. So we need to leave at 6:30.
Is there a bus?
Yeah, I think it leaves at 6:45, and it gets there around 7:30.
What time does it finish?
It's supposed to end at 10. The last bus back leaves at 10:15, so we'll have to hurry.
Phew, how lucky. We almost missed the concert.
I know. Good thing we checked the schedule.
Yeah, and the concert was amazing. What was your favorite part?
It's hard to choose. But I loved the light show during the last song.
Me too. It was like being under a million twinkling stars.
Now we're both full of happy concert memories.
Absolutely. We should definitely go to another concert together sometime.
Great. Maybe next time we can pick a concert that starts a little later, so we don't have to rush so much.
Yeah, let's try finding a concert that starts at 9:30 or later. That way, we can relax and grab a bite to eat before the show.
Okay. We could even check out some restaurants near the concert hall beforehand.
What a perfect plan, Jacob.
We will find a concert with even cooler light shows next time.
Now that's something to look forward to.
Number 5. School.
What school did you go to?
I went to Millennium High School, founded in 1999.
Where is the school located?
It's located in New York City, United States.
Do you like the architecture of the school?
Yes, I do. The architecture is not really impressive, but I like it that the building's architects left plenty of space for lounging.
What are the teachers like?
Most of the teachers are helpful and friendly. I especially like Mr. Mike, my physics teacher.
How long have you spent there?
I have spent 3 years of upper secondary school there.
Is that a single-sex school?
No, it isn't. This is a unisex school.
Do you like the school uniform?
We don't wear uniforms at school, actually.
Why do you enjoy the time there?
Although I had to deal with quite a heavy workload, I enjoy the relaxing atmosphere when hanging out with friends in the cafeteria there.
What important lesson did you learn from school?
I learned how to work in a group, in which there are many friends coming from different cultures. That's the lesson of cooperation.
Will you recommend that school to others?
Yes, of course. I'm proud to recommend Millennium High School to anyone who is searching for a good place to learn.
Thank you for listening and watching. We can't wait to see you in our next lesson. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to keep creating useful content just for you. Until next time, happy learning and see you soon.